Hello everyone, today we have got something really interesting to share with you. Are you ready to learn how you can make money by reselling products from China right here in Zambia? Well, stick around because we are about to reveal some fantastic insights that could turn your passion for entrepreneurship into a successful venture. Imagine having the power to tap into a massive market offering a variety of products at unbeatable prices. That's exactly what reselling Chinese products in Zambia can do for you. Before we get started, let's talk about why Chinese products are so popular in the market. China is famous for its vast manufacturing capabilities, producing a wide range of high-quality products at competitive prices. From electronics and gadgets to fashion and household items, they have got it all. And guess what? These products can be your ticket to a profitable business right here in Zambia. Now you might be wondering why Zambia? Well, our country has a booming consumer market hungry for innovative and affordable products. Many Zambians are looking for top-notch quality without breaking the bank, and that's where your role as a reseller comes in. By bringing these demanding Chinese products to Zambia, you can provide to this growing demand and create a win-win situation for yourself and your customers. So you're excited, right? Ready to begin on this reselling journey? Here's how you can get started. Start by researching the market trends and identifying the products that are in demand. Find your niche. It could be anything from trendy electronics to stylish accessories. The next step is to establish connection with reliable suppliers from China. These are various online platforms like Alibaba and AliExpress that can connect you to thousands of manufacturers. Reach out to them, inquire about products, prices, and shipping options. Build a strong relationship with suppliers is crucial for smooth transactions. Now let's talk about setting up your reselling business. You can choose to sell online through platforms like Facebook Marketplace or even start your own website. Congratulations, your business is up and running. But how do you attract customers? Well, marketing is the key. Utilize the power of social media to showcase your products, post eye-catching images, run promotions, and engage with your audience. Social media can be a game changer for your business. Also consider collaborating with influencers or bloggers to reach a wider audience. Happy customers can be your best advertisers. Offer top-notch customer service and quality products to encourage positive word of mouth. Treat every customer as a valuable asset and they will keep coming back for more. And there you have it, your guide to making money by reselling Chinese products in Zambia. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tips and tricks. If you want to learn more about reselling Chinese products in Zambia, my course is currently running at a special offer. Discover valuable insights and strategies to boost your reselling business. Enroll now through the link in the description and let's begin on this exciting journey together. See you in the course. Happy reselling!